Okay, first what you want to do is grab an 8-inch cake pan, a small knob of butter to grease it, and a parchment disc. You want to grab that knob of butter and use it to grease the bottom and side of your cake pan. Place the parchment paper disc on the bottom of the cake pan, then grease it again to ensure none of the cake sticks. Next we got to talk chocolate. You need to use dark chocolate around 60 to 80% depending on how strong you like it. Take 500 grams and chop it up nice and small to speed up the melting process. This cake is made of mainly chocolate, which is what gives it its intense richness. Next we've got to transfer this into a bowl, along with a nice 60 gram knob of butter and 50 grams of sugar. Let's head over to the hob where we need to fill a medium saucepan with water, and place the bowl on top and put the gas on, and heat the water to a bare simmer. Make sure to constantly stir to avoid scorching the chocolate until the mixture is completely melted. Set that aside to cool slightly before grabbing a separate large mixing bowl, cracking on 4 eggs and another 15 grams of sugar. Give this a good whisk till pale and looking homogeneous. Then add 1 tablespoon of flour to the egg mixture and fold that through with a spatula. Then add the slightly cooled chocolate mixture to the bowl, making sure to work quickly so the hot chocolate does not scramble the eggs. Then optionally you can add a teaspoon of orange essence to the mix for a Terry's chocolate orange vibe. Stir the two mixtures thoroughly together with your spatula before pouring into the prepared cake pan and baking off at 230 degrees C or 210 degrees fan or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. To test if it's done, it should be slightly wobbly in the middle and therefore the skewer method will not work. Remove from the oven and let cool in the pan until you can touch it, and then you need to remove it from the pan and chill for 30 minutes in the fridge. Once cooled, dust with icing sugar and slice into small pieces, as this is a really rich dessert. And that's how to make chocolate orange Marquis. Thanks for watching, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed and maybe even give it a go.